Hey guys, RC Buster back with another video. Today we're going to be building this Scx10 honcho and getting it ready for a crawling comp. So I'm going to take a video on it and show y'all kind of what we're going to do here. So first let me show you kind of what I've already got done with the truck and what all I've got onto it. So as you can see, we've got the 2.2s and well, they're not regulation, so we're switching to a set of 1.9 and more of a rock tire instead of a mud tire. So far, I've swapped the front and rear shocks because they're different spring rates. So I wanted the softer ones in the rear. I've converted all the shock towers and the brackets there to metal, since over here for the drag link, it likes to break, or the track bar likes to break. I've also upgraded the servo with a metal horn, so that'll help with our turning ability. So we're going to be adding a few parts to this, and we're going to do a time lapse of it, and we'll see how it comes out. Alright guys, I'm back. Over the weekend I had some more parts come in. I got some links to put on this thing now. And just to kind of show you what I'm doing with building these wheels, is I'm taking these wheel weights that you'd use for balancing tires and sticking them on there to add some weight. I don't know if I'm going to like the idea yet or not, but we're going to try it and see. I'm going to get the rest of these parts thrown on and then we'll check it out afterwards. Alright guys, so we got it all finished up. I'll go over what all we put on this thing, everything we did. So off camera I put on a new speed controller and a fan because the motor gets hot when I added the weight in the wheels. I've already swapped the back shocks and the front shocks for different spring rate. I got a better servo on there. I modified and 3D printed my own bumper mounts to get that bumper higher up. All metal links, brass extensions, brass knuckles, bead locks with my wheel weights in them. And then, let's see, I 3D printed some smooth sliders to put on there. And so hopefully it'll do pretty good. But we'll have some videos of it running here shortly when the next cop comes up.